Hey everyone, I'm attorney Jordan McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, and today we're going to talk about the 5 red flags of undue influence, right? So red flag number 1, there's some sudden unexpected change to a will or any types of estate planning, right? Let's say your mom or dad had a will for 10, 20 years. There have never been any changes. All of a sudden your brother or sister or one of their siblings move in, and you've suddenly noticed that there's changes in the will, in a trust, any deeded property. If you see any sudden unexpected changes, that is the first red flag that really puts you on notice to, figure out if that individual who just suddenly came into mom and dad's life is influencing them. Red flag number 2, if there's any type of isolation, right? That can be a sign that this person is being controlled, right? If they were typically sociable, if they were out doing activities and now they've suddenly isolated themselves, that can be a sign that the individual who is unduly influencing them is trying to prevent them from going anywhere because they want to keep the new changed estate plan in place. And that leads you to red flag number 3. I kind of addressed it in number 2, but that new person suddenly controls everything. They have the power of attorney now. They're managing all of mom or dad's bank accounts. They now have the house in their name, right? Mom was sick or vulnerable. Mom or dad was sick, vulnerable, or grieving. That's red flag number 4. And then the new person comes in, takes advantage of that, makes sure that they're isolated and controls them. And then red flag number 5 is the individual who is unduly influencing mom or dad. So it can be a son, a sibling. They now directly inherit everything, right? Sometimes these individuals can still try to make it somewhat fair, so they'll give other individuals some assets. But if there was some significant change in the estate plan and your mom or dad were not in the right mind to do that, or they didn't want to change the old estate plans, then that is undue influence. And at McIntyre Elder Law, we can engage in litigation to undo that, right? That's not okay. I wouldn't want anybody taking advantage of my mom or dad. I wouldn't want any of my siblings changing their estate plans if mom or dad didn't want that, because that's your power to give assets to the people that you want. And it's not okay that when we're, in a stage of life where we can be vulnerable, sick, and we really need to be protected by loved ones, we can be taken advantage of. So at McIntyre Elder Law, I would love to assist anyone who believes that their parents were taken advantage of. We'll bring some type of undue influence litigation and just come have a consult and we'll figure it out. I really think that's not okay, and I would love to assist anybody in challenging those who want to take advantage of people who are in some of the most vulnerable positions of their entire lives. So come meet with us at Shelby, Charlotte, or Hendersonville. We've got 3 locations. Visit the website at www.mcelderlaw.com, where you can learn all about undue influence. You can see more of the signs. I gave you the red flags, and then you can figure out, what evidence do you have that you can present to an attorney to figure out how to challenge what was done. And then give us a call at 1-888-999-6600, and I would love to assist you in challenging those who are taking advantage of the elderly. Thank you for your time.